See how we roll out. Ooh. Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please take a moment and hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post, and also so that you can keep up with my financial freedom journey. In today's video, we're going to be rolling some coins and see how much that I have. I do have a different setup since making my first coin rolling video, and that was actually my first ever video as I got into budgeting. And I was up late reading my comments. I always respond to you guys and enjoy you guys' comments, and I have seen a comment from one of my viewers or subscribers, I'm not sure. I will show like a picture somewhere in the video of the comment and why it made me want to update my coin rolling video. And it is also a good tip for those who are on the coin savings challenge. I put all my roll coins in my daughter's old bottle bank. She doesn't use this. She have another bank, so I decided to put my coins in it. And then I have my loose change up in here. So we're just gonna roll some coins and see where we're at. I might end up buying a new ring light with this money. I'm not sure, but subscribe and see if I spend it. Let's get started. I'll put a quarter roll right there just to ensure that I stay in frame. I'm going to start with the quarters. 40 quarters make $10, so I'm going to try and separate some of my quarters first and then get to rolling. I should have separated everything before I started this video. I think I want to do that first. Separate the coins. If you guys don't know, I do have a giveaway going on and it ends on February 26th. I will link that video in the description box or in the video somewhere in the iCards. So make sure you guys go check it out. It ends on the 26th, which is a couple of days away. And I also want to give prayers out to those that are in Texas during this storm. My cousin, he lives out in Texas and he has no water, no power, and it's just terrible, you guys. Like, what more do you need in a pandemic? But I hope the storm hurry up and be over. I was looking on Instagram and it's just so depressing seeing that, you know, people are losing their homes, their food, everything, you know. And people were like in the comments making mockery of it, like, this is serious. You know, it's children out there, homeless people in this storm. So my prayers go out to Texas and those who are affected. I really hope that I'm completely in frame because I'm moving around again and I hope my setup just haven't changed. I've been trying to find the best setup as I go. I hope this video be as quick as I think it will be. I'm still learning how to make the best videos so that I can keep you guys engaged with as less talking and moving as fast as I can. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like long videos, if you guys don't mind the talking. Let me know what type of videos keep you guys watching so that I could keep improving my channel. And we are done with the coins, but let me look up and see if we're in focus still. Yeah, we're in focus still. So I'm gonna start with the quarters, and I need 40 quarters to make $10. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 26. Rolling coins could be such a nuisance, you guys, because why did I have to do all that? Let me know in the comments how much money you think I have all together in my bottle and everything. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I need 10 more too. And wow. So that's $10. And let's see if we can make another roll out of what we have left over. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Looks like we may be able to complete this row. So I need 20 more quarters. 15, 20. You guys, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning as I film this video. I should be asleep or doing homework. But I'm trying to get monetized, so I'm trying to continue to make videos and keep my channel growing. So what I have left over, I'm going to put it back into this jar. So I'm going to go to nickels next, and let me see if I have any nickel rolls. I don't think I have any. I don't have any, so I'm not going to be rolling any nickels. But that's okay, because if I end up getting the ring light, I still have change to continue my journey for the end of the year, until the end of the year. So that's cool. So I'm going to do the dimes, and I need 50 dimes. And this don't even look like 50. 2, 4, 6, 18. Nope. Don't have enough to roll dimes, so I'm going to put this back in there. And I know I at least have 50 pennies. So let me check. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 30 pennies. So I need 20 more. So this is 50 pennies. And I'm gonna just quickly count and see if I have more to make another roll. So I have enough to make another penny roll. And I put the rest in the jar. And I really need a new ring light. I had this ring light for about 4 years. And it's becoming stripped. It doesn't stand properly. So I really do need another one. Plus that will help hold my camera with my phone while I do my cash stuffings. So I won't have a ring light glare. I could just set it up a different kind of way. Let's see how we roll out. Ooh. So I'm gonna open my calculator on my iPad. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 80 in quarters, and that's great because the ring light is about that price. Then we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and nickels. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we currently have $112 in change. Let me know down in the comments if your guess was around this amount, or what was your first guess? Ooh, tongue twister. But that is all for my change rolling video and update. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.